Right, little Fiesta ST today, with some security on it, in the form of a Viper 106V Thatcham Category 2 3-circuit touchkey immobiliser. You'll see, turn that radio off, obviously a push to start car, quite a valuable little car these. Had a few nicked at a local Ford event recently at Brands Hatch. So there you go, little flashing light down there on the override touchkey socket, flashing away to tell us it's immobilised. So if I try and start the car now, put the foot on the clutch, press your button. There we go, nothing. So we've interrupted fuel, ignition, start, 3 circuits on there that prevent the car from starting. Simple operation to deactivate with the Viper 106V touchkey. You push your little touchkey in the socket, remove it. You'll now see the LEDs flashing fast, telling us it's deactivated. So now, there we go. Car starts and runs as normal. When we switch the car off, the LED's off when you're driving. When we switch the car off, LED starts to flash fast again. After 30 seconds, when it slows down, car's automatically immobilised. Every time you leave the car, it's immobilised. So if your OBD port gets attacked, or a key's cloned, or somebody even steals your car key, they're not going to get away with your car quickly. That's the Viper 106V Thatcham Category 2 immobiliser, fitted by Autosparx. There you go, there's us on there, 0330 010 0506. Make a booking before it's too late. You never know who's watching yours.